Bangladesh on Thursday joined the Global Wind Power Club with the inauguration of its Cox's Bazar wind power project. The wind power project, located some 400 kilometers away from the capital Dhaka, was built by a Chinese company.
The benefit is that now more and more the investors start believing that generation of wind-based power in Bangladesh is possible. So that is, we are very delighted and encouraged. More and more proposals in the coming years, coming months, there will be more and more wind-based power plants in the power sector. We have very strong collaboration, cooperation with Chinese government.
Upon operation, the project is expected to reduce coal consumption by 44,600 tons and carbon dioxide emissions by 109,200 tons, meeting the electricity demand of 100,000 households.